Are you looking for smartest CNC router machine? In this video, we provide detailed reviews of the 5 best CNC router machine to help you easily choose the perfect option for your needs. We'll explore its key features, performance, and overall value to help you determine if it's the right choice for you. Before we get started with our video, we have included link in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is your budget range.
Number 1. Twotrees TTC 450 Pro All-Metal CNC Router Machine with NEMA 57-stepper motor. Brand, Twotrees. Material, aluminum, stainless steel, ABS. Power source, AC. Product dimensions, 18 inches wide by 3 inches high. Item weight, 45.1 pounds. Capacitive touchscreen plus professional expansion ports. The TTC 450 Pro CNC engraving machine is equipped with a highly responsive 3.5-inch IPS capacitive touchscreen for intuitive and smooth operation. Its control box integrates a 4th-axis rotation port, laser module port, and 500-watt spindle speed control port, enabling seamless upgrades to a 4-axis engraving machine or combined CNC wood carving and laser engraving/cutting machine to meet your growing creative needs. High-precision Z-axis creative freedom for CNC router machine. This premium CNC router features an extra-large square working area of 18.1 inches, 460 by 460 by 80 millimeters, easily handling furniture panels, large signage, and batch production. The high-precision Z-axis, driven by a 57-stepping motor, positioning accuracy up to 0.0025 millimeters, delivers outstanding depth control and surface finish for multi-layer engraving and intricate relief work. Wide CNC machine compatibility. This desktop CNC router adopts the open-source GRBL control system, perfectly compatible with mainstream design software, including ArtCam, Fusion 360, Easel, and Carvco Maker. It supports Windows, Mac OS, and Linux operating systems. A large user community and abundant technical resources ensure a smooth workflow from design to production.
Number 2. Upgrade 3018P CNC Wood Router Machine Kit. Available at a lower price from other sellers that may not offer free prime shipping. Update CNC machine. The 2 sides of the Y-axis of the engraving machine are replaced with orange Bakelite resin boards, which makes the engraving machine look brighter and more novel. The fixed external frame is made of resin, the work stable is made of aluminum alloy, and the screw rod is made of stainless steel. All of those makes the machine lightweight, but more durable, more good appearance. Detailed installation in operating instructions. With the English instruction manual from the engraving machine installation to engraving, there are detailed instructions for the X-axis, Y-axis, Z-axis to the overall assembly of the engraving machine. In each installation step, parts which is needed has been remarked. With detailed assembly and use videos, even novices don't have to worry about the assembly and use of the machine. Added new function. Added an emergency stop button. During the engraving process, if the user encounters an emergency and needs to stop the engraving immediately, user can press the button to stop the operation. Added X-Y-Z axis limit switch. When the engraving machine moves up and down or left and right, it will stop immediately if it exceeds the forming range.
Number 3. Genmitsu 4040 Pro CNC Router Machine for metal acrylic cutting milling. Brand, Genmitsu. Material, aluminum, acrylic. Power source, AC/DC. More consistent cuts, less bed flex. The upgraded 4040 Pro CNC router machine features a reinforced hybrid spoil board with a center aluminum support bar to reduce sagging and maintain a flatter work surface, helping deliver more consistent cutting and carving depth across larger projects. Rigid motion for stable machining. Dual 16mm HSS steel tubes on each axis and lead screw drives create a rigid motion system for smooth, accurate movement. A 32-bit controller with silent Toshiba drivers provides stable, quieter operation for detailed carving, engraving, and CNC milling projects. More room for creative projects. A 435 by 400 by 80 mm working area gives this desktop CNC machine room for signs, reliefs, prototypes, and woodworking projects. Machine wood, acrylic, MDF, nylon, and carbon fiber composites with the appropriate bits and cutting settings. From assembly to CNC faster. Pre-assembled modules let you build the 4040 Pro in about 15 minutes, while the relocated Z-Probe port provides easier access during setup. GRBL control gives makers a flexible, widely supported workflow for learning CNC, preparing jobs, and running G-code projects.
Number 4. Carvera Air Desktop CNC with 4th axis and PCB kit. MAKERA enclosed mini mill. Brand, MAKERA Carvera. Material, metal. Active surface area, 10.18 square inches. Operation mode, automatic. Smart and affordable desktop CNC machine. Carvera Air is a precise and versatile desktop CNC mill for milling, carving, and engraving. Easy to use with user-friendly software. Endless materials, quick tool changer, auto probing and leveling, optional fourth axis and laser supported, all-in-one CAM software. Fourth axis module for expanded capabilities. The fourth axis module expands your capabilities, enabling cylindrical machining, double-sided objects, and 3D shapes. With a rotary work area of 3.6-inch diameter by 7.9-inch length, 9.2 centimeters by 20 centimeters, Carvera Air supports true fourth axis simultaneous machining for crafting detailed 3D models. Quick tool changer for efficient workflow. Speed up your workflow with the Quick Tool Changer, switching tools in just 10 seconds. Whether milling wood, plastics, or metals, transitions between tools are seamless for advanced multi-step projects. Precision auto probing and leveling system. With auto probing and leveling, Carvera Air ensures precise calibration and flawless cuts on uneven materials. The closed-loop spindle control, 0 to 13,000 RPM, and spindle runout less than 0.01 millimeters guarantee exceptional accuracy and surface quality, even for high-complexity machining. Cross-platform software compatibility. Operate your CNC effortlessly with Wi-Fi or USB connectivity. The intuitive MAKERA CAM software supports macOS and Windows. The controller supports iOS, Android, macOS, Windows, and Linux, and integrates with popular CAD CAM tools such as Fusion 360, SolidWorks, and VCarve Pro.
Number 5. Carvera Air Desktop CNC Machine by MAKERA. Enclosed mini mill with cam. Smart and affordable desktop CNC machine. Carvera Air is a smart and affordable desktop CNC machine designed for makers, hobbyists, and small workshops. Mill, carve, and engrave with ease using our intuitive MAKERA CAM software for creating prototypes, custom parts, jewelry, electronics projects, and DIY crafts. Compact size with professional workspace. Carvera Air features an 11.8 by 7.8 by 5.1 inch work area for detailed CNC machining while maintaining a compact, fully enclosed footprint of 19.7 by 17.7 by 17.7. The enclosed design helps reduce noise, contain chips and dust, and improve safety for home workshops, desktops, makerspaces, labs, and small studios. Quick tool changer, switch tools in 10 seconds. Speed up your workflow with the built-in quick tool changing system. Change milling bits in just 10 seconds, making multi-step machining faster and easier for CNC jobs that require multiple tools, such as engraving, drilling, and cutting in a single project. Spend less time setting up and more time creating. High-precision CNC with auto probing and leveling. Carvera Air is designed for industrial-level accuracy in a desktop CNC machine. Spindle runout less than 0.0004 inches. Motor resolution 0.0002 inches. Automatic probing and surface leveling. The system automatically calibrates your workpiece, ensuring accurate cuts even on uneven materials for precision parts, PCB milling, and detailed engraving.
Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video helpful, please hit the subscribe button and press the bell icon and commenting below. Check out the description to find product link.